Introduction to Gene-Environment Interactions. Scientists investigate how genetic and environmental factors work together to influence traits and health. This field examines the complex interplay between our DNA and external conditions, revealing how they jointly shape our development and susceptibility to diseases. Genetic and environmental influences. Genetic factors are variations in DNA that can affect various traits and health outcomes. Environmental factors, such as lifestyle choices, diet, and exposure to pollutants, also play a significant role. Understanding how these factors interact helps explain why individuals with similar genes can have different health outcomes. Epidemiological studies track the relationships between genetic predispositions and environmental exposures in populations. These studies provide insights into patterns of disease and risk factors. Twin and family studies further illuminate how genetic similarities and differences influence responses to environmental factors. Animal models. Researchers use animal models to explore gene-environment interactions under controlled conditions. By manipulating both genetic and environmental variables, scientists can observe how these changes affect biological processes and behaviors. Experimental techniques. Experiments often involve exposing organisms to specific environmental conditions while altering genetic factors. These controlled studies help scientists understand how environmental changes impact gene expression and overall health. Epigenetics. Epigenetics investigates how environmental factors can modify gene expression without altering the DNA sequence itself. Changes such as DNA methylation and histone modification can influence how genes are activated or silenced in response to environmental stimuli. Human genetic studies. Genome-wide association studies, GWAS, in humans identify genetic variants associated with various environmental exposures and health outcomes. This research helps pinpoint specific genes that interact with environmental factors to affect health. Impact on disease understanding. Insights into gene-environment interactions are crucial for understanding complex diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular conditions. This knowledge aids in identifying at-risk individuals and developing targeted prevention and treatment strategies. Personalized medicine. Studying these interactions contributes to personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored based on an individual's genetic and environmental profiles. This approach aims to optimize healthcare by considering both genetic predispositions and environmental influences. Future directions. Future research will focus on integrating genomic, epigenetic, and environmental data to build comprehensive models of gene-environment interactions. Advances in technology and analytical methods will enhance our understanding of how these factors jointly impact health and development. Conclusion. Exploring gene-environment interactions provides valuable insights into how traits and diseases develop. By studying these complex relationships, scientists aim to improve health outcomes through personalized approaches and a deeper understanding of the interplay between genetics and environment.